Hello, how's it going? Today I'm gonna do a quick little trade recap of a trade that I took on gold last week. That would be Thursday, January 30th. I took this trade and I'm just gonna break it down real quick. It's pretty simple. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah, so this is Thursday. Let's run it back. So to preface this, I will say, this day I lost on another pair. I truly cannot remember, but I made back that what I lost and then some on this trade on gold. Gold was looking good, has been looking good, but I haven't really been paying attention to it. But yeah, so let's get into it. So gold has just been creating so many great opportunities for people. I know people in the Doyle exchange Discord was taking like breakouts, some were taking other demand zones. So at this time, this is like 8 o'clock, I was like waiting for a certain trade on another pair. Again, I do not remember which one, but I was just waiting for that, and it ended up being a loss, and I had to go to work. So I was just like, all right, whatever. Then when I got to work, I was just like looking at my phone, looking at the charts, and I saw this opportunity here on gold, and so I was just like, you know what, let's take it. So let me find it real quick. So I actually, this is it. Actually, oh shit, this is crazy. So this is it. So I get to work, I pull up my phone, and I see that this demand zone is here. And me, I'm like, all right, I already lost. Like, I was down like $40. I'm trading on a small live account. I lost $40, and I was just like, damn, should I keep on trading? But I was just like, you know what, fuck it, let's go. I see this demand zone on gold, and I see that it's been, going up, the EMAs, it's everything's just looking good. So I was just like, you know what, fuck it, let's go. So price taps in. Oh shit, so I'm sorry. So price taps in, and I remember going long, probably got me like up here, going long on this trade and having my stop loss right underneath this as usual. We had a nice rejection here, and the candle broke past what? I had a candle break and it broke past the 13 EMA, so it looked good. But I remember being in this trade and panicking because, again, like, I lost $40 on the day, and I wanted to make back that money and then some to cover the loss and like cover the fact that we have fees when it comes to futures. So I literally am not a trade holder, and I was like panicking. I was just so afraid of like losing, and price was going up, price made a new high, but then price came back down, and I was just in a roller coaster. I was like, should I close? Like, I want to close. Like, my goal was to get to $60 so that I can cover the loss and then some. But price was going up and then down, and I remember it went all the way up to like $30, and then it came back to like $20, and I was just like, should I close? Like, I want to close so badly. And then like that move happened, and I was just like, bro, I was just like, it was just straight panic. I was just letting go. I was like telling to myself, I was like, Khadid, like, you said you wanted 60, so hold for 60. How are you going to get to $500, $1,000, $3,000 days if you're too afraid to hold for $60? It's just not gonna happen. So I was literally like trying to do work, but then also looking at my phone in straight panic, like, ugh. But then at the same time, I was just like, you know what? We're at work. Let me focus on work. Let me get myself settled in and let price do whatever it wants to do. So like literally straight panic. Price was going, and then boom, I remember it here, and I was like, 60 was the goal. I was like, oh my gosh, 60, boom, I was out. Now, if I held, yeah, But I was just so proud of myself for holding on to this trade, because it was a roller coaster, a mental roller coaster, especially when this move right here happened. I was like, oh, it's gonna stop me out and I'm gonna be down like $80 on the day. Like I wasn't like crying like that, but it was just like I was definitely nervous about like the loss, and just, holding, and, wanting to see the number that I said that I wanted to see. But yeah, I mean, it was a really good trade, and gold has been delivering all week. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pay attention to this pair more, especially, with Trump being in office. There's a lot of shit that's going down that he's doing, and people are scared, and it shows when you're in the markets. You can see when people are panicking. I mean, gold is technically, like a safe thing to invest in, to hold your money in. So the fact that, so many people are buying into it says a lot about the market. It says a lot about what people are feeling. But yeah, that's this setup is kind of basic. I'm planning on doing, more just like trade recaps rather than like live trades, because it's a whole lot of nothing for the most part. So it's just like, that's just way too much for me. So I'm just gonna do a trade recaps within the week, so you can start to expect those, and more back testing videos. So yeah, that was basically this trade. Made $60 on it, covered my losses and then some. But yeah, hopefully I get some more setups like this, stuff that like actually makes sense, has the 200 and everything is lining up, EMAs. Yeah, these are really nice trades to have. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and see you on the next one. All right, bye.